Okay, now that we've closed the bust darts and now transferred it to the middle of the shoulder seam. So you just blend like so that you don't have a pointed bust point. So you just blend into the waist. Can you see I've taken out part of my measurement from point X to here. And it's not a problem at all because we already did half bust plus 5, so we are only getting rid of some of our ease. And because we are not pointed on our bust points, we should always blend it. Now this is our cut line. You're going to cut from here through the dart and to the hem, just like we did in the first example. And that's it. That's how to connect your bust dart to your waist dart for the princess style line coming from the shoulder. Like I said, you can centralize it. You can make it come from the middle of the shoulder, or you can use the dart point as it is. And you can only use the dart, the original bust dart as it is, if you're not going to have a princess style line at the back, because you want to make sure your princess style lines are starting from the same point if you're having princess style line on the back as well. So I'm just going to quickly show us the back one. Also, don't forget to do your balance mark, and don't forget to draw your grain lines in case you're not going in case you won't be the one cutting, you're giving it to someone to cut for you. Write out your seam allowance and every other things that you need to put on your pattern. So let's go to the back. Okay, now for the back, you just connect your, I already said, you've centralized the shoulder darts. All we have to do now is to connect this to the waist darts and then cut out the darts. So you just use your hip curve. I'm using a transparent one so that everyone can see what we're doing. Use your hip curve to blend that line. I'm sure you watch the way I'm placing the scale, and just rule like that. Don't worry if this is not coming here, because you should make sure your lines are well ruled. You don't want a wobbling line or wobbling lines. You should make sure they are well ruled. If it's a curvy line, make sure it's well curved. If it's a slightly curved line, make sure it's slightly curved. So also, I've ruled from one dart leg point. I'm ruling from the other dart leg point into the waist darts, like so. Yes, you will be losing some width on your across back. Excuse me, don't worry, it's fine, because we've not lost anything in front. But in case you'll be losing in front, maybe you're tightening your chest or something, because our basic bodies as they are, you can see from your test fit, you still have some fullness around your chest line, you still have some fullness around your back. So it's still that part of the fullness you're taking out. And in this situation, you're making a closely fitted garment. So if you're making a closely fitted garment, you'll be losing more width. And that's the point of adding ease onto your blocks. And that's another way of getting rid of excesses. So you're going to lose a bit. This is not up to 1 centimeter, so it's fine. And you're going to lose a bit on the bust level as well, which is also fine because you have 10 centimeters ease on there. So what you need to do is just cut out the darts like we normally do. Cut it out. I'm not going to cut it out because we're going to use this for another style or something. So you just cut it out, cutting through here, and all the way down to the M. Just draw a straight line, your middle dart line, and just cut that down, and that's it. Don't forget to add your seam allowance, draw your grain line. Don't forget to cut this out, add your zipper allowance, add allowance all around, do your balance mark to help you bring them back, and that's it. That's how to draw your princess style lines. See you later. Bye.